I just came back from Y Combinator's latest hackathon and I saw AI agents already doing real developer work. Not chatbot, not GPT wrappers. These agents write code, fix bugs, optimize the website, the kind of stuff you or your company are already doing today. Here are 3 that stood out, what tasks they replace, and how you can stay ahead. First, the continuous front-end optimizer. Build a site from scratch with AI is easy. Say, just build me a beautiful website. But if you already have a live website, like an online store, but only to make it more attractive, you might not know which page to improve or if you revamp actually attract more visitors. Enters the agent that creates a new version of the site, deploys it for A/B testing, and 3, grades the design with a cognitive scoring rubric. Then it iterates again and again. This eats into front-end engineering task, experiment, deploy, measure, and repeat. Second, the multi-sprint builder. You heard it correctly, it is a sprint as in the Agile framework, which is used in all the big tech or software companies. What's the problem with the current LLM? They give you a one-shot code dump, which are huge, messy, and error-prone. It is very expensive to fix. This team used one agent to break the big project into 3 sprints. One coding model to write the code, and another agent to find bugs, and finally a small model to apply the bug fixes directly in that sprint. This mirrors the Agile framework, more reliable, lower token cost, and overlaps with the junior dev and QA work. Third, the div applier. Asking the AI to fix this portion of my code is hard. There are 3 existing methods. First is menu fix. The AI agent gives you the fix and you have to manually paste it into the correct location of your code base. Second, line numbers, but letting AI to output the specific numbers are often prone to hallucination. Third, let AI output a whole file with the fix. This wastes a lot of token since most parts are not changed. Now enters Morph LLM, which applies diffs directly to your codebase with a small and optimized model. When combined with the larger agents, it can become the patching tool that lets AI operate inside your repo like a surgeon. For a definition recap, real agents have the 3 characteristics. 1, continuous instead of one shot. Second, tool using. Third, multi-agent swarms. Big models as architects, small models as junior devs. They are already taking on front-end optimization, sprint planning, bug fixing, and code reviews. How you can stay ahead? There are 3 things. 1, learn an AI agent framework now, such as crewAI, LangChain, or Pocketflow. 2, build a 2-agent workflow using Morph LLM plus a MCP server. Third, scale to a swarm. Big models for strategy, small ones for execution. You can build out a web app using style.dev or same.AI. Let it become the engineering manager for an AI dev team, not one competing against it. Thank you for watching.